Hey guys, it's a nice day today in Vancouver. I'm at Sunrise Park, close to where I live. It's around 9 degrees. It's sunny, half sunny, I guess. So anyway, I'm just gonna test my Osmo Action here. I just bought it a few weeks ago from BH site, and I also bought the PJY case for it and the adapter. And it was on sale. The Osmo was only $199 US, but I do have to. Everything comes to free, 272 bucks US. So in Canadian dollars, it's like 340 something. So it's okay, I guess. Good deal compared to other sites or Vancouver retailer. So I'm just gonna test how good it is. I'm blogging freehand, as you can see, and see how the audio as well. It has rock steady, and which is good, and the front screen, that's what I like. I sold my GoPro 7, and I like the front screen, and it's had the rock steady, which is pretty good, smooth. I'm filming in 1060, 1080, 60 frame FPS. Yeah, here you go. So I'm filming my Osmo right now, and I'm just holding freehand, and at filming at 1080, 60 frames per second, and just how it is. Here you go. I'm just walking around here. It's a baseball field, and I want to see how smooth it is. Just holding freehand, How's the audio? Testing 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna run for a bit and see. Just running and see how shaky it is, and it has the rock steady, which is good to keep things smooth. Nice mountain in the back. It's getting sunny. It's good. Okay, over now. testing my Osmo here. Osmo Action, and wondering how good it is. Indoor, I'm in Metrotown in shopping mall. Just wondering how the quality, the sound as well. Here you go. Looks pretty smooth, it's rock steady. I'm filming at 1080/60 frames per second. Quite busy today, Saturday. It's the new store here.